Alice don't know the colors. Oh no! Kids! Alice going to learn with this crocodile. Then we got this cow, this beautiful cow. This abacus. Look at this. Then we're gonna play a little bit with these beautiful fishes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Green, Jello, red, Jello, blue, orange, green, Jello, light blue, green, the eyes, the nose, and the cow has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is so beautiful. Let's count. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Let's see. Jello, red, green, and blue. Yes. Jello, blue, pink, green. Let's play. I like this little shark.
Alicia has learned the numbers and colors.